How to clear Twitter search history. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can clear your Twitter search history, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to clear your Twitter search history, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all make sure to basically launch the Twitter application over here. Once you launch a Twitter app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface. Well, if you'd like to delete your search history and you've made any sort of searches on Twitter, first of all, just come to the search icon by tapping the search option as you can see here. Once you come to the search page, if you look at the very top, you can see search box. If I tap on it, here you'll be able to see all my recent searches. Now, one thing I can do is I can hide this individually by simply long pressing on it and then just selecting clearing this specific option. But this is just one after another. But if you have too many search histories and then you want to delete all of those, in that case you have to just tap the cross icon that you can see on the top right hand side. When you tap the cross icon, it will also clear all recent searches. You can tap the clear button to clear all of your search history. This way you can clear Twitter search history. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.